We've been battling colds around here, and I used to always suck on throat lozenges to help with my symptoms, but for some reason they began to cause sores throughout my throat. Now, store bought, it might be quick and easy, but they often come packed with preservatives, artificial flavors, and loads of sugar. Homemade cough drops give you all the control, natural ingredients, zero artificial stuff, and you can tweak the sweetness to suit your taste. The family was really wowed by what I call my golden immunity cough drops. They were a hit.